Okay, so we're going to continue our review of Chapter 9. We're going to be adding and subtracting the rational expressions. So what was the first thing we had to do when we were adding and subtracting?
Factor.
We had to factor. We had to factor the denominators. So we could find the LCD, right? And so that was step 2, find the LCD. We did that by writing down once what they have in common, and then we also wrote down what's left over, right? Okay, then what did we have to do? After we found the LCD, multiply each fraction by what? Not quite. By what they're missing on the LCD, right? Multiply each fraction by what's missing in the LCD. To make the LCD. I always have a hard time with this instruction and how to word it. Then we do what? We distribute and FOIL, and then we combine the numerators. If it's subtraction, we have to make sure we distribute the negative. Okay, so here's our example. X minus 2 divided by 5x times x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 minus 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 4x minus 5. So we're going to find the least common denominator. First I need to factor this. How does x squared plus 4x minus 5 factor? X plus 5 and x minus 1. So my LCD, what do I have in common? All of them have an x minus 1. So I'm only going to write that once. If I write it down 3 times, I no longer have the least common denominator. And then I'm going to make my numbers really big, and I don't want that. So now, if I take that out of each denominator, what's left in this denominator? 5x. And what's left in the last denominator? X plus 5. Okay. So, what do I need to multiply my first fraction by? X plus 5. My second fraction I need to multiply by x plus 5 times 5x, because it only has the x minus 1 in the denominator. And then the last fraction I need to multiply by 5x.